Hi guys, it's Mrs. DePietro. Today's Thursday, March 2nd, and I want to talk to you a little bit about your plans for the day. All right, so today you're going to watch another phonics video. Don't forget that you need something to write with and something to write on. You're going to do an episode of Headsprout. Then you're going to watch another Mr. Putter story. Mr. Putter is a character, but he has many different stories. It's called a series when you have the same character but different stories with the same character. This one is called Mr. Putty and Tabby Feed the Fish. So that video is right here. You're going to watch that. Then I want you to talk to someone in your family about the problem in the story and how it was solved, the solution. After that, in writing today, you're going to watch the brainstorming video again. And then you're going to go back to your character that you made yesterday, and you're going to make a list of problems that that character could have. So here's my character again from yesterday, Violet. I already know my character. I already know where her setting is. So today I'm going to think about some problems that Violet could get into. Now remember, this is realistic fiction. So her problem is not going to be a superhero came down and stole a lightsaber. They're going to be problems that a real little girl would have. So I wrote one down. Maybe she gets in a fight with a friend. That's a problem. So I want you to think of some problems that your character might get into. And you're going to make a list. Now you don't have this paper, but you can just make a list on the next page in your notebook. Don't forget today you are going to read on your own for a little while, 15, 20 minutes, and then you should be good. Have an awesome day of learning, guys. I miss you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.